Hi, what's going on, everyone? This is Willie Bear here with Textbot. I want to share some information about the conversation plan. I'm not going to get too in depth about the conversation plan, but it's one thing that I like the most about um, the Ava conversation plan is you get one pass up. So just say like just say like if you bring someone on in Ava, right, and on their second sign up, you will get $100. You will get their one pass up, which is very powerful because just say like if you market Ava over the course of 3 months, just say 3 months, and you get just say if you get 20 signups over 3 months, okay, you're gonna get 20 pass ups from their second sale, which is $2,000 in a 3 month period, which is very, 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 very powerful, guys. That means you're collecting commissions that you're not even doing the work for. So the conversation play only involves just one pass up only. You only pass up one of your sales, which is not bad. But I just wanted to share that because I got a payment yesterday, and it was from something that it wasn't it was from somebody that I didn't sign up initially, and I was like, okay, I got to remind my audience about the $100 pass up, which is very passive, a good passive way to earn income with this system. So just wanted to share that. Like always, if you're someone that's interested in Ava, or if you want to know more information about how Ava works or how I can help your business, feel free to reach out to me, subscribe, and reach out to me. I'm going to leave my information below, and I'll be looking forward to helping each and every one of you. Talk to you guys on the next one.